Podnation.
To add your first episode, you are going to click on Publish your first episode. You are going to write the title of the episode. In this case, I'm going to put Episode 1 Podnation. In the description, I will write an accessible hosting for everyone. And then you are going to load the MP3 file. I have it on my desktop, Episode 1 Podnation. Now we put the publication date. If you are uploading the episode on a Friday and you want it to be published on Monday of next week, you can leave it scheduled. Check again that the time zone is correct. Check that all the information is complete and click on Save and go to the podcast. You can see that the first episode has already been published, but to add additional information, we are going to click Edit here. As you can see, the basic information is all complete, and the release details we're going to choose if it is a full episode, a trailer, or a bonus. I'm going to select a full episode from Season 1, Number 1. The day had already been scheduled, so I leave it like this. In step 3 of notes and transcripts, I add the Podnation webpage in the notes, and in the transcript, I will paste the entire transcribed episode. Then, in step 4, options, Podnation asks me if my episode has explicit language. It is not my case, then I can continue. Let's click Save and see my podcast. The title, the description, the notes, and the transcripts are now ready. Now I play the episode to make sure I uploaded the correct audio. We return to the main page of the show and click on the green Publish button, and that's it. Podnation has published your podcast.
Podnation.